As we all are living in this very fast world, whereas people don't have a time. Many people ask me, those who work in the IT industry or those who work in a computer work or those who are mainly into two-wheeler driving or those who are mainly into obese or those who are not able to work properly, they ask me, doctor, how osteopath or how modified chiropractor work or help in lower back pain which has a disc bulge or sciatica or piriformis syndrome. See, we as a chiropractor or osteopath follow the basic rule of spine. We understand your spine, how spine is rotated, which side it is rotated, and we fix your spine. As an osteopath, we believe in very simple logic: find it, fix it, and leave it. Once you leave that part aligned, you will not have any problem. Your back will be back to the track normally. So first, when we see the patient, as I explained you that as an osteopath, we follow the certain basic understanding of the back pain. We check the back, palpate the back, we check whether any disc bulge are there, whether the alignment of the spine is spoiled. Once we check that one, find it, we follow the rule. Then we ask whether you have any radiating pain.
Yes.
Yeah, we check that one. We ask patient to go little up, extension. Then we check the load bearing and then down. Even we check the leg length to understand the patient requirement. Once we find out that there is a little deviation in the L4, L5, your L5 vertebra and L5, it should be like this, L4 is like this, L5 is like this. So we'll identify the problem, we'll palpate, we'll ask patient whether she is comfortable or not, relax, adjust, and then trust, relax. As we have adjusted on one side, we will check again what is the misalignment of the pelvic and we will align the pelvic also. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
We will check,